Is it time to buy or sell KB Home stock? In this video, we will explore KB Home in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of September, 2025, our system has identified KB Home as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.28. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of -0.03%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.01% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 25.34% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 25.34% to 42.52%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -28.14%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -55.51% and -23.27% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $27.75 and $47.86. Our latest daily update for KB Home features the headline, KB Home stock price concluded at $62.38 on Wednesday after a decline of 0.0481%. The KB Home stock price decreased by 0.0481% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025. It dropped from $62.41 to $62.38. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.87%. ranging from a low of $61.98 to a high of $63.76. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, totaling a decrease of 4.87% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, albeit alongside falling prices. This could signal an early warning, slightly raising the risk for the upcoming days. In total, 2 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $133,501,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $86.73, while the lowest price reached $48.90. Currently, the stock price stands at 28.08% or $24.35 below the 52-week high and 30.46% or $27.32. under the all-time high recorded on the 19th of September, 2024, when the price peaked at $89.70. KB Home reported third-quarter results for the period that ended on August 31st, 2025, meeting or exceeding its guidance. Management emphasized stronger execution and significant progress in reducing build times and costs. This operational improvement supports near-term margin resilience, even as the industry encounters uneven demand. Broader housing signals present a mixed picture. New home sales data unexpectedly exceeded expectations, indicating a possible market bottom, while some analysts still anticipate a sluggish recovery for builders, despite the Federal Reserve's rate cut in September. With futures and risk appetite showing modest improvement today, KB Home could experience an immediate relief rally, following the earnings beat and efficiency gains. Traders might push the stock higher if the commentary on cancellations, orders, and margin outlook remains positive. Over the longer term, sustained reductions in cycle time and cost per home would contribute to higher margins, quicker inventory turnover, and improved returns on capital. However, ongoing weak demand or elevated funding costs could limit growth. Anticipate short-term volatility. Long-term potential depends on a durable recovery in demand and continued execution on cost and build time enhancements. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 3rd of September 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned KBH a perform grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned KBH an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of March 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo again assigned KBH an underweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned KBH a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned KBH a sector perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned KB Home stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for KB Home. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of KB Home is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected around the levels of $63.79 and $63.45. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, September 5, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 8.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning sign, warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 61 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for KB Home. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $55.60 and $53.63. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, KB Home finds support just below today's level at $55.60. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $53.63 and $52.72. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.78 between high and low, or 2.87%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for KB Home, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.50. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KB Home. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KB Home is at $63.71. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, KB Home encounters its first support level at $55.60. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for KB Home from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2025, Robert V. McGibney conducted an insider purchase of 14,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, he also conducted an insider sale of 14,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, McGibney sold 14,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which represent the right to buy. On the 16th of May, 2025, Arthur Reginald Collins sold 5,000 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 17th of April, 2025, Robert R. Dillard purchased 19,354 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 7.771. In total, insiders acquired 1,548,575 shares and sold 1,628,847 shares in these last 100 trades. We have issued a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is KB Home stock a good buy? The KB Home stock exhibits several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that KB Home will show weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 25th of September, we expect KB Home to open higher by approximately 32.7 cents, starting at a price of $62.71. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.